Want to boost your Ubuntu productivity and code like a pro? Let's dive into creating those super handy keyboard shortcuts. First, navigate to your Activities overview by clicking the Activities icon or pressing the Super key, which is usually the Windows key. This will bring up your applications and other system settings. Next, in the Activities search bar, type keyboard. You'll see the keyboard settings appear in the search results. Click on the keyboard option to open it. Inside the keyboard settings, you'll find various options to customize your keyboard behavior. Look for View and Customize Shortcuts button, typically on the right side, and click it. Now you are in the Shortcuts menu. You'll see a list of different categories. This is where you can set up your shortcuts for various common tasks. For instance, the system has shortcuts for logging out or locking the screen. To create a new shortcut, let's click the plus icon at the bottom of the window. This will let you define a custom shortcut for any action you want. A small window will pop up. You'll need to enter a name for your shortcut, like Open Terminal, so you know what it does. Then, enter the command. This is the specific action you want to trigger. For a terminal, this command might be Noma Terminal. Then, after you enter it, click Set Shortcut. Now you are prompted to press a key combination. Click your desired key combination on your keyboard, such as CT or L plus Alt plus T. You might get multiple prompts for the same shortcut. And that's it. Ubuntu will save your new shortcut. You'll be more productive than ever by customizing your shortcuts. Congratulations, you've enhanced your workflow. Using shortcuts unlocks new ways for you to manage your system efficiently. Now go forth and conquer.